In this video, I'm going to show you what I picked up at the Goodwill for less than $5. $5. I'm participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge. If you're interested in seeing what I purchased, stay tuned. Channel, this is Saving with Miss V. Today I'm participating in the seasonally $5 Goodwill challenge that's being hosted by HILIARY over at Old World Home. And what she asked us to do is take $5 and go to the Goodwill thrift store, any kind of secondhand store, your next door neighbor's house, wherever, and purchase something for $5 or less. And it has to be a home decor item, you know, for that season, and show how you will style in your home. You can redo the item or you can leave it as is. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what I picked up. This beautiful sleigh that I picked up around, it was in the summertime for $3.99, and I love it. Yes, it actually I saw this the exact same sleigh at Hobby Lobby for $49.99. Yes, $49.99. So I thought that was a great deal for $3.99. So this is it. I'm going to leave it I'm going to leave it as is. I'm not going to paint it or anything because I like the way it looks. It's nice and sturdy. It's very heavy, so it's well made. So this is it. So stay tuned to see how I style it. This is how I styled it. I added some faux presents in the back and some pine cones also, and I have some pine cones here, and I have just this cotton tablecloth that I'm using, that I picked up from the Dollar Tree about 2 years ago. I'm using it as snow, and then I just dropped some of the pine cones down, and I'm using my beautiful reindeer, glittered reindeer here. So this is how I'm displaying it. So while I have you here, I'm gonna go ahead and give you an updated version of my Christmas village. If you've been watching Miss V's channel, I did give you a sneak peek into my Christmas village, but since then I've since added to it. So this is it, my Christmas village. I'm doing it from this angle because I don't want to be in the video. So I laid this little cotton cloth down as if it's snow, and so this is my village. Have the bakery here, then behind there is the post office. Have a little bench outside the bakery, and I guess that's Miss Claus. I'm not sure who that is. That's a little boy. And so I just added these two little things on the side of the bakery, and this is the church. Then I put the well behind the church. So I just kind of formed my own little village, and all these items came from the Dollar Tree. I thought about painting them white. I may do that next year, but for right now, this is my village, and stay tuned to see it at nighttime. So I have two houses now, 1, 2, then still have the hotel, and that's Santa Claus getting ready to check into the hotel. Got a little boy sliding in some snow. Got a father and son shoveling some snow. So we just got all kind of things going on here in Miss V's village. So this is it. So these are the lights I'll have to show you how it lights up at night. So I want to go ahead and thank HILIARY for hosting this challenge. This is my almost 3rd year participating, and I enjoy it because my channel focuses on ways to save money. So $5 is right within my budget for home decor. So if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. As stated, my channel focuses on ways to save you money. And if you like that type of content, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button as I stated earlier. Share this video with family and friends. Like the video if this is something that you like. click that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. I am participating in Vlogmas, so I will be uploading every day for the month of December. And that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is me. Continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.